spring rain arrives, bringing life to all things. Rainwater, one of the 24 solar terms, is nature's gentle gift to us. During rainwater, air is suffused with a moist essence. As fine threads of drizzle nourish the earth, all rouses from the hibernal rest. In his poem, Happy Rain on a Spring Night, Tang Dynasty poet Du Fu wrote, "Happy rain comes in time, when spring is in its prime. With soft night, breeze 'twill fall, and mutely moisten all." May this poem of spring rain nourish your soul. May life be as gentle and beautiful as spring for us all.